Have you ever wondered how possible it is to save up $10,000 within a year? Let's delve into that. The first step is to define why you need this amount and set a realistic deadline. Why $10,000? Perhaps it's a down payment for a house, a dream vacation, or an emergency fund. Whatever your reason, having a specific goal and a tangible timeline creates a sense of urgency and purpose. Remember, a clearly defined goal is the first step towards financial success. How often do you find yourself spending money on things you don't really need? It's a common pitfall, isn't it? Those midday coffees, that new pair of shoes you only wore once, the streaming platform you rarely use. Imagine saving just half of these expenses each month. Those savings could be a substantial contribution towards your goal. It's about making conscious choices, trimming the fat from your budget. Remember, every pound, every penny counts. Every dollar saved is a dollar closer to your goal. What if you could earn more without changing your full-time job? It's time to think about side hustles or other opportunities to boost your income. You could take on a part-time job, maybe something you've always been interested in. Or how about freelancing? Use your skills to offer services online, and let's not forget about monetizing hobbies. Are you good at art, baking, or coding? Turn your passion into profit. Increasing your income can fast-track your journey to $10,000. What if saving money could be as easy as spending it? Imagine the convenience of having a portion of your paycheck automatically transferred to your savings account before you even get a chance to think about it. This is the beauty of automating savings. It's like a financial autopilot, guiding a part of your earnings straight into your savings. No more forgetting to save, no more last-minute budget adjustments. Just set it up and let it do its thing. Automating your savings takes the effort out of the equation. Could your clutter be hiding a gold mine? It's time to declutter your living space and find out. Those items gathering dust could be transformed into a tidy sum. From clothes to electronics, furniture to collectibles, selling what's unnecessary can give your savings a significant boost. Try online platforms like eBay or Depop, or local marketplaces for face-to-face sales. Not only do you free up space at home, but you also free up funds for your goal. Turn your unused belongings into cash and inch closer to your goal. Are your debts slowing down your savings journey? Imagine them like anchors weighing your financial ship down. High-interest debt particularly pulls you deeper into the financial abyss. Prioritizing its repayment is like cutting off these heavy anchors. You're not just freeing up more money each month, you're also saving on the snowballing interest. It's like giving your savings a turbo boost. Strategically tackling your debts can supercharge your savings and get you to $10,000 faster than you think.